Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by closing Teams fully so changes take effect. Right-click the system tray icon and choose Quit. Once done, open Teams and go straight to Settings, then General. You need either normal user rights to toggle Startup or Admin for system tweaks. If you're unsure, check with IT. Make sure the app is updated so options match this guide. Now, with settings open, you're ready to disable Auto Start options in the next steps. In Settings General, uncheck Auto Start Application to stop Teams launching on login. You're directly telling the app not to register itself at sign-in. Also disable Open Application in background so it won't silently run. Once both boxes are cleared, sign out of Teams and sign back in so the changes persist across sessions. If Teams was set by a policy, note that local toggles may revert. In that case, proceed to the System and Policy checks in the final step. Next, open Windows Settings App Startup and turn Teams off to prevent Windows from launching it. This covers cases where the app still appears at login. If Teams still starts, check Task Scheduler and delete any Teams tasks. And if you're comfortable, remove Teams entries under hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/run in the registry. If a group policy re-enables startup, contact your administrator. That's the key troubleshooting tip. Policies override local changes, so IT must change it for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.